How to build a website on Mailchimp. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can build your very own Mailchimp website. So make sure to watch this video until the end and know how to do so. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on their main website, mailchimp.com, and this is how it looks like. And over here you have a bunch of different options, but we're not going to get into that. If you want to come over here and read all of this, you can go ahead and read it, but we're simply going to go ahead and sign up. Now the sign up process is very simple. It's also very free. You can upgrade to the plans later, and I will tell you about those plans later on, but for now we'll go ahead and sign up. So just simply click on sign up over here in the bottom or at the top corner. It'll take you to this part of the website where you just simply have to sign up with your email address, your username, your password. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up, and once you have done that, they will tell you to check your email to accept your account. So just simply go into your Gmail folder or your email and just simply verify your account and you're good to go. And once you have activated the account, this is how the website will look like. Just simply clear the reCAPTCHA and confirm that you're a human of sort, as the website suggests, and then you will be taken over to the next step. And over here, you basically have to, sign up and select the plan. So over here, you have 4 plans in front of you. We have the free plan, the essentials, the standard, and the premium. So in the free plan, we get all the basics for the business that are just getting started. And you have a maximum capacity of 2,000 contacts. And in the essentials, which you'll have to pay $11 a month, with that, you get 500 calls, 500 contacts already, and you have a 5,000 email send list over here, and down below you can choose how many contacts do you have. So you can have like 2,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, and as you can see, as I scroll the wheel over here, the prices go up. So if you have like 20,000 contacts, then you have a limit of 200,000 emails sent, and your total will be $189 that you will have to pay every single month. So keep that in mind as you compare all. So keep that in mind as you go up, so will the prices. And then down below you can click on compare the plan features to compare everything. So for free you get 7 marketing channels, single email automation, 5 email templates, and a marketing CRM as well. Whereas in the essentials you get everything from here from the free plan, but you also get the A/B testing, custom branding, and 24/7 word of wording support. And for the standard one, you will get journey automations, retargeting ads, custom coded emails, and advanced audience insights, along with everything in the previous plan. And in the premium plan, you get advanced segmentations, multi-variety testing, unlimited seats and role-based access, and phone support as well. And as you can see, each one has a different price. So for 500 contacts, you'll have to pay $11 for the essential one, standard, and $17 for the standard plan, and $299 for the premium plan. But if you're already going to pay $299, why not just up your contact list, let's say 20,000, and go with the essential plan or the standard plan? I mean, it all depends on you, but you know better and you know your own needs. So for now, we're just simply going to stick to the free plan. We're going to simply click on next, and then over here you just have to set up your account. You have to enter in your first name, your last name, your business name, your website URL, which is optional, and your phone number, which is also optional. And after that, just simply click on continue. After that, they will ask you to add your address, and over here you just simply have to input your address, your city, your state, and your zip code, and the country, and you're good to go. And then they ask you to tell us about your contacts. So if you have any contacts, just simply click on yes, and then select your contact list. And then if you have no contacts, that's okay, they can help you find contacts. And if you're not sure, just select the option over here. I don't know if I have permission to use the email address I have. I only send transactional emails or something else. It all depends on you. But for now, we don't have any contacts, so we're just simply going to click no and click on next. And then they ask you if you sell a product. So over here you have your product, you have your services, both or neither. Whichever one you sell, you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want, or you can just skip. It all depends on you. But for now, let's just say we sell both. And over here down below, they ask you, how do you currently sell online? Then you have your options over here, your own website or e-commerce store, or another business's website or e-commerce store. Choose whichever one you want and you're good to go. So let's just say that we have our own website and e-commerce store, we can skip this option as well. So for now, I'm just simply going to skip it since I don't have any website. And then they're going to ask you if you want any additional emails you want to receive from Mailchimp for e-commerce newsletter, Mailchimp presents, or highlight. I don't want any additional emails, so I'm just simply going to click on continue. And boom, after that, you are good to go. So over here, you have a bunch of different options that you can choose. So if you'd like, you can send your first email, start an automation, or create a website. Now, since we are here to create a website, so we're just simply going to choose this option over here, or you can come over here onto the left side and simply click on create at the top over here. If you do that, you're going to have emails, automation, website, landing page, creatives, and many more. So over here underneath websites, if you click on the arrow, it drops down, and over here you have website, domain, store, appointments. It all depends on you. So let's go ahead and click on website. It's going to choose the website, and over here we have the builder over here, and we just simply have to click on get started. And over here, they're basically going to ask you, tell your store to connect with people and grow your business. Basically, choose where you want to start. So you want to start designing your site, start selling your product, or start offering your service. It all depends on you. So since we're over here, we haven't begun yet. So we're just simply going to click on set up your site. It's going to ask you what is the name you'd like to use for your website. This is my business name, so I'm simply going to keep that, and I'm going to click on edit my site, and boom, you have your website builder over here. So as you can see, this is their new website builder. You can go ahead and take a tour of it if you want, or you can go ahead and skip it. For now, I'm going to skip it and I'm going to continue. So over here, you have your pages, you have your style, you have your cookie banner if you want. So in pages, if you click on the arrow button over here, it basically shows you how many pages you have, and you can go ahead and add other pages as well. So over here, I only have the home page. I don't have any other page. But if I click over here on this add page button, I can go ahead and add another page. So it's going to ask me what kind of page do I want. Is it a general page, or an about page, a contact, or blank? If you choose blank, then you can go ahead and set it up as you want in your own way. So we're just simply going to choose the about page over here, and it tells you about the website, you know, what's important and stuff like that. And then we are good to go. And then all we have to do is just simply click on add. It's adding the page. Boom, your page has been added. And over here, you just simply have to add the name of the page, set as home page if you want, or add to a navigation, set a URL path, which is, you know, going to be unique. And then you have your social review. If everything looks good, just simply click on save at the top corner over here. Boom, you have added your page. Now, if you want to have any other settings, you can go ahead and edit it later. So for now, let's go ahead and edit the page. So I'll just simply hover my mouse over it, and I'll simply click on edit page. Now over here, this is the website. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple website. It's a pretty simple builder as well. Nothing too complicated. Whenever I hover my mouse over a section, that section gets highlighted and allows me to edit it as well. So for example, if I wanted to edit this section, or like, you know, change some of these branding, change some of these text, all I had to do was select the entire text, and I can type whatever I want, or I can just simply click on this blank space over here in this section and click on edit section, which will allow me to have these options over here, such as layout, background, and color scheme. You can choose whichever one you want and edit it as you go. So in layout, if I click on layout, I will have different layouts. So over here right now, we have this one with big text over here on the left side, and the more detailed one on the right side. And at the top, if I click over here, it changes to the big one over here at the top, and then the smaller text over here. I think this looks good, so I'm going to keep it at that. And then I'm just simply going to close the layout, and I'm going to click on background. And then over here, I can change the background as well. So I can make it gray, can make it black, can make it white, lavender, or what is this? Is this a lighter version of lavender? I don't know. And then you can even add images as well. So it all depends on you. But for now, I think I'm going to go into the colors, and I'm going to keep it white since it looks already good. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back. Then we have color scheme as well. So over here, this is the simple white version with the black text. Then we have this color scheme over here, and this one as well, and this one, and this one. And you can choose different color schemes if you want, but we're going to keep it at this one, and we're just simply going to exit the editor. Then we have another section over here. Let's say if you wanted to, you know, remove this section, all you would have to do is just simply click, and over here you have your options such as edit sections, layout, You can move this section up and down over here, and you can delete this section over here. Just simply click on the trash bin icon and it will ask you, are you sure you want to remove this text and image section? Just simply click on remove section and your section will be removed, and boom, there you go. Now, as I said before, you can edit anything you want. So for example, over here at the top section, what I wanted to do was I can go ahead and into edit section, and over here I wanted to change the colors, the background, and over here you can go ahead and browse. Over here you will have your content studio, and over here you will have all of the files that you have uploaded. But since I don't have any, so I'm currently not, then over here on the left side you have your logo, you have your Instagram, you have your Giphy, you have your products, and you have your file as well. So in Giphy, basically, if you want, you could add like small memes and gifs that can, you know, appeal to the younger side of generation. So it all depends on you. And you have your my files as well, and then at the top you have stock photos. So if you click on stock photos, you will use stock photos from Unsplashed or previously used one. These are free photos that you can use, so just go ahead and use them. For example, I like this kitten. I mean, it doesn't matches our website, but let's just say that this image matches our, you know, theme of our website. I'm just simply going to click on image and just simply click on use image as well, and there we go. After that, I'll just simply have to go back, and boom, we are good to go. Then we can also, you know, change the layout as well. So if I click on layout, we have different layouts over here. This is the text layout. We have all these different ones. It all depends on you, but I just want to change the text because it's black and I can't really tell. So I'll just simply click on the text over here, click on this option, and then go into color scheme, and then just choose any color I want. So for example, let's go with this one. Does it go white? No, it does not. Just this one, which has a lavender color, or we could go with this one, or we could go with the white one. We have this one at the bottom, and boom, there you go. So that's how you basically, you know, edit your website, and how you can edit different section and add different pages. And it all depends on your creativity on how you create and design your own website. But for now, once you have, you know, edited your website, all you have to do is click on done and you're good to go. Now, if you're wondering if you could, you know, also edit the header, you can just simply click on the header option. Then you have your navigation options over here. If you disable them, you won't have any other option. But if you click on navigation, you will have your about page or any other page that you have added. You have your layout, you have your background, you have your color scheme, have a fixed position, or a transparent navigation. If you click on transparent navigation, then of course the image will, you know, go up as well and it will be transparent. But if you wanted a fixed one, then whenever you scroll, the the header would disappear. But if you weren't a fixed position, but we'll just keep it fixed so that whenever we scroll down, the header is going to be at the top. Right now it's not at the top because we have this bar over here, but it is at the top. It all, trust me. And you can also change the color scheme of your navigation as well. So you can make it white with black, or, you know, with lavender color, or, you know, lighter color, or gray, or whatever you want. It all depends on you. But I think we're just simply going to choose this one since it matches our website. And then boom, you're good to go. So after you've edited the website, just close the section and just simply click on done, and just simply click on publish, and your website will be published. So just simply click on publish, and boom, all your terms and conditions are met. Accept the terms and conditions, and your website will be uploaded. So over here, this is going to be your domain. So if I click over here and open the website in another tab, as you can see, this is the website itself, and it's working pretty well, and you can edit anything you want. So it all depends on you. Now, as you can see, the domain is very different. Now, if you wanted to change the domain, all you have to do is just simply click on. Now, if you wanted to change the domain, all you would have to do is just simply click on settings. It will take you to the settings of the website. Here you can change the title, the domain, the pop-up form, site tracking, site status, and everything. So over here, just simply click on edit domains, and it will tell you to upgrade your plan to use the custom domains on your website, and choose the core commerce plan to upgrade it. And you can use a Mailchimp domain over here as well. So it all depends on you. You know, get rid of the numbers. It still would look good, like continuum.mailchimpsites.com still looks good, but it's not as good as possible, and it's currently not available as well. So If you wanted to change your domain, just simply upgrade your plan and choose a custom domain and you will be good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you create your own website on Mailchimp. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.